Welcome to DIY Pneumatic Lab, place where we take pneumatics, electrical stuff, and make questionable DIY skills and see what happens. Today we actually will start to build our can smasher, but since no one wants to watch my 1 hour long videos, we will separate it in 4 different smaller videos, and first video will be about calculations. First of all, we need to understand how much power we need to smash this can. ChatGPT is saying that we will need approximately 45-50 kilos of mass. It's like 450 and or 500 newtons, but actually we can try to measure it. I hope I won't broke my weights. But let's try to smash it manually. So we put the can and just now we need to put a pressure on it. What bad can happen? It was like, what? It was error. Oops. I guess these weights are not meant to be used that way. Okay, let's try another one. No. We have 0 kilos and oops. Peak was like 54 kilos. I guess so. ChatGPT is somewhere right. But yeah, it's very nice. Squeeze. Okay, let's now also bring our compressor setup. Here you can see the pressure that it can produce. Let's check how much pressure. Oops. It can actually make, because red ones is like bars, because it's like kilopascals multiplied by 100. That gives us a bar. As we see, it can give us like 7 bars. I can regulate it, but yeah, now it's like 7 bars. Okay, and here we have this 40 millimeter bored cylinder, and what ChatGPT says is that 40 diameter can give us around 50, 65, 75 kilos of power on 4 to 6 bars. As we've seen there, we have 7 bars, and how we see in our weights, we need only 55 bars. So I think this cylinder should do the work with ease. Okay, and then we can maybe just can start to build our can smasher. And we will use plywood for this because it's cheapest and easiest material to use in this case. Okay, I guess we can stop here. I make something like this. It's not super beautiful, but I hope it will work because struggle was with this part mostly. Thing is that cylinder have this small thread, not standard M thread. Yeah, and I make something like this. But the good news is that it can't like go around, so it won't screw anywhere. I just hope it won't break out because you see this part with super glue. It was move of desperation. So yeah. Oh sure. Mm. It's also not super straight. This is my questionable DIY skills, but so far I look like this way. It's straight here. It's straight. And also when I use this one, it's kind of straight. Also when I put it vertically, but obviously something is not. But oh well, who cares? So what's next? Next time I will connect test our smasher. Whole pneumatics. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.